Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to go to manual adjustment mode on GoPro Fusion 360. To do it, click on this button right here until you go to settings. Then click here to enter them. Then make sure you are in the video setting, because when you click here, while pointing on the top position on the menu, you are switching between modes. And when you are in the actual video mode, you can go down to PT. Now you can click on OK to turn it on, and now as you go down, you can change the ISO and the exposition. You can also reset PT. So I'm gonna reset it, then click on reset, and now it's set. I can change the ISO by clicking on it, so it changes between 400, 6400 or 1600, like that, and the exposition changes also just like that. And I'm gonna disable the PT now, so now I'm in the auto mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.